I'm going to show you how you can make your wig go from this to this. When you receive the wig and you wear it straight off the back, it can end up looking like this, and it's not the best right now, so I'm going to show you how you can style it the right way. First thing is to wear the wig grip, adjust it according to your head size. This is the top of the wig grip, so this sits on top and the extra front lace sits in the front. So you put the wig grip on and wear it a little behind your hairline. Second step would be to make sure that all of the hair is in front of the wig and none of it behind it. So you're just going to comb through gently to make sure that all of the hair is in front. Then when you start wearing the wig, you have to make sure that this U part sits in the center of your head. Our wigs cannot be worn from front to back because this is not how it would sit properly. Any of the wigs that you get from us, you have to hold it this way, making sure that the U part sits in the center. Now you take the wig, you put your head inside like this, and then wear the wig in front of your hairline. So you're going to wear it in front, pull the back, push all of the hair that you have inside the wig. Once that's done, you flip. You never pull the wig from the front, you always adjust it from the back. So I'm just going to match it to where I want the hair to sit. And now this is what you'll end up with. Now you just move the sides to make sure that it sits above your ear, adjust it, and now there's no chance that the wig is going to slip off. Due to the packaging, the part might look a little haywire, it might look too flat or uneven, or the hair must be all over the place. So for that, you're just going to spray some water on the base. Now you take a brush and gently just comb everything behind. Once that's done, you just part it the way you want to. Now I'm just going to do a side part, and then I'm going to blow dry it in the respective directions to make sure that it sits just the way I want it to. Another thing to note is that you cannot part the wig all the way at the edge of the silk. So if you part it somewhere here, this is how it would look like, and this is not how you would part. So you can only part it within the silk area, which is the U span that I showed you earlier. Just going to go ahead and blow dry it in the respective directions. If you want the hair to sit like this in the front, you're going to blow dry in the front. But if you want it to sit behind like this, you're going to always blow dry it behind. So taking the blow dryer, this is what the part would look like once you've finished blow drying it. Now, whenever you're combing through the wig or wearing it, you have to be very gentle with it because the entire wig cap is made out of lace. So any pull or tear to it will cause the lifespan of the wig to reduce. So make sure that you're very gentle when you're wearing and styling the wig. Now, since I'm happy with the way that the wig is looking, I'm just going to go ahead and style it a bit to make sure that it looks a little more put together. You will be able to blow dry it, curl it, pretty much do whatever style that you're comfortable with. I'm going to finish this up and show you the final result. This is how the wig will look like after you finish styling it. Here is the close-up of the hairline and the part, the front view, the back view,